Hello, welcome to my life as a day home provider. Today I'm going to be serving waffles to my kids for lunch, and I'm going to place the waffles based on their appetite, how much they eat. Some kids eat less, and sometimes they want to try it first before they can actually eat it. If they need more, I can always add more onto their plate. I just wanted to add, if you've been watching my content and you like it, please feel free to share, comment, and maybe share an idea of recipe that I can create next time for my kids. I always plan month recipe ahead. I'm going to add some mandarin to this plates for them. So again, just a little on the side. If they need more, we can add, because they are very creative. They know what they want. Sometimes they need to try it first. If you're a day home provider or a childcare provider, you know exactly what I mean. Children like to try, sometimes feel with their hands before they can actually eat the food. So I put a little bit. If they need more, they can get it. And I'm going to add some chicken on the side of this plate for them. Again, some will get 3, some will get 2. If they need more, I can always add for them if they need it. I have 3 plates on the counter because I have mixed ages. Some of the kids are in school, they alternate. Sometimes I have 7 kids at once, sometimes I have 6 kids at once. But today I have only 3, and I have 3 cups of milk. I had some red pepper, red bell pepper on the side. Last time I offered them this, they asked for peanut butter. So today I will give them some peanut butter on the side for them to dip in there. And they love peanut butter there's no allergy in my home, which I'm very lucky for. Yeah, so I'll give them some peanut butter on the side, and give them some glass of milk. 3 of my kids today, they all drink milk, which is a good thing. I don't have to struggle with it. Sometimes if they don't drink milk, you have to be there just trying to encourage them, and they will finally, get to drink it. If you like my content, as again, please feel free to share and comment and let me know what else I can create.